Hey guys, T here. Today I want to take a walk back into my childhood and build a little car that I used to build when I was a kid. It's real simple and you can do it fast and your kids will like it too, I'll bet. So what you're going to need is a wooden spool, arguably harder to find than it used to be, but you can find them. Wooden matchstick, some rubber bands. That's it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get to building this little car. We'll make a little slot here. See if our matchstick fits in there. Good. I want to drill this out, make this hole a little bigger because I got bigger rubber bands. So let's clip off one of these. That's going to hold the rubber band. A good idea with this, if you're going to give it to your kids, is let's burn it up. Okay. I think I'm going to try to find a rubber band that's a little shorter. This is just kind of gumming up the works inside. See if it does anything. I think this needs to be longer. Let's use something else. Try a fatter one here, even longer. I think we need a little more drag, actually. We haven't got enough traction. I think if we made some cuts in here, just to give this a little more tread, that would help. So let's try that. Let's clean these up a little bit. These really don't look very good. I don't know if this will change anything, but it'll look better. Huh? Huh. So I like that. So let's see how this guy is put together. That's what we need to build this big guy. Okay, we just got to cut them out. Okay, so here's the outside wheels. I think we got some good traction there. And we're going to cut this out so that it'll fit inside of here. Let's cut it. Okay. So this will go on top of this. And then we're rolling. I need to cut a slot in here. I should have done it before, but it's to hold the pin that'll hold the rubber. So let's cut that. We're going to put this little pin in here. You just mark it 4 holes. Okay, we'll put 2 holes in there. Looks like that'll work good. I don't know if this is going to quite work, but I'm going to see. I'm going to see if I can put the rubber over these, over this dowel and see if it'll hold. There must be some extension that they use for this stuff. I don't have one. Okay, let's see. I don't know, that seems to be holding. Let's see if we can get it in there now. See if we can fish it out here. Oh yeah. Oh, I hope it's not too long. I'm going to have a lot of friction here. I think I better put a washer of some kind. So thanks for indulging me, guys, with my childhood toys. My little spool car and the offshoot of it, this big honker. This was great fun to build. So thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.